How to see a specific person Instagram activity. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Let me go right through quick and easy and how you can see a specific person's Instagram activity. Well, you can see a specific person's online activity if you have a direct message conversation with them. For instance, if you open up Instagram and head over to direct message, and if you have the direct message with them enabled, then you'll be able to see the activity status if they have turned it on. Right. If their activity status is turned on, it'll be indicated by a green dot or active now status. Another way to view their recent engagement is to check the see shared activity feature, which shows recent likes and comments between you and another user as long as you follow each other. You can also check for new posts, their profile or the following feed directly on the profile, but you want to be able to see directly the comments that they have made or the reels that they have liked and such. Until then, unless you head over to reels. Now recently on Instagram, if someone has liked the reels, you'll be able to see that their username down below showing that they have liked the reel. So that way you can see it as well. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.